Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to unblock someone from Instagram on a laptop. We start by opening Instagram in our browser and logging in. Next, click on More and then on Settings. Here we will move the left side menu and click on Blocked. After that, we will see the list of accounts that we have blocked, and we can click on Unblock to remove the one we want. Finally, we confirm the action and we will no longer have that account blocked. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.